What's up guys, I'm back again with the team I used to reach max rank. I have Politoed and Kingdra for Rain, and this time I added Parry Song to Politoed just in case I encounter any stall teams. Kingdra has the Life Orb, and my Kingdra is actually not max speed, it's modest and is pretty bulky, yeah. So if I encounter any mirror matches with the Kingdra, the other Kingdra would usually go first. So if ever, I just would use Thunder Wave with the Grimmsnarl first, then bring out Kingdra later on. Grimmsnarl has Trick. I pair him usually with Scizor for the Bullet Punch trick. Sometimes I would pair the trick with Overdrive because my Toxtricity Scarf would usually outspeed most speedy Pokemon like Charizard. I'm not sure with Cobalion though. I haven't really encountered any Cobalions so far. And the last but not the least is Amoongus for the Sleep and Rage Powder. I have Pollen Puff just in case I want to heal my teammates. So far I only use Amoongus for Spore and Rage Powder. Alright. Okay, so let's dive right into the battle. I'm facing Alicio. He's got a Sun team, but with Ferrothorn, a Lapras and Comfey, and I think Valplume usually would go for Sleep Powder. I think I'll just go for the trick first, using Toxtricity for the Overdrive, since I think I would outspeed all of his Pokemon. And Amoongus for redirection, and probably King Politoed, probably, yeah, for weather control. Hopefully this works, yeah. I'm guessing he's gonna go for a Comfey Lapras lead with Ferrothorn at the back and Valplume, probably. I think that's ideal for him. Probably, yeah. Charizard. Okay. We'll see. Flashy. Okay, so he brings out Charizard and Lapras, okay. So he might either bring Ninetales or Comfey, right? Right? It's either Ninetales or Comfey, right? I think the bigger threat is Charizard, so I'll check Charizard. Let's see. Oh, he switches out. Okay. 2. Okay. Interesting. That's not a wild switch though. That's fine. I'll go for Protect. Okay. I think he would have taken out one of my Pokemon if he went for Dynamax turn window, since I chose the wrong Pokemon. And he's gonna bring back Charizard. No, okay, it's not. It's okay. I think the heat wave's gonna hurt. So We'll see. I think I should just go for the GMAX Sunshock to Lapras. Probably would switch for the weather first, then GMAX Sunshock. It's either a Hypnosis from Ninetales or Heatwave. I just hope it's a Heatwave. Because if it's not, I'm screwed. So we do change the weather, and Toxtricity is gonna go for the Gigantamax. Amp form is actually my most favorite, like Gen 8 form and Pokemon. I just really love the design. And he Dynamaxes, alright. It's in a Pokeball. Okay, I'm catching Lapras. Catching GMAX Lapras in Pokeball is really, really hard. I don't know how some people do this. And he goes for a Hypnosis. Oh, it's a Heat Wave. Thank God. And it does nothing. Stun Shock will do half. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. Nice. Para and Poison. I actually prefer the Para, but I guess Poison's fine. Resonance. Oh no. Will this knock me out? Oh. Okay. Scary, man. I thought that was gonna knock me out. Scary. Alright, we live that. I guess Scald to Ninetales would be fine. Max Ooze. I'm guessing he's gonna go for a Max Guard. Max Guard switch. Maybe not. Who knows? Switch Ferrothorn or Charizard. Oh shit. Maybe I should just go for them. Oh, actually Max Guards. Alright. Interesting. Very interesting. Burn? Oh, it's a crit. And it's a burn. That's great, that's great. Okay, so Lapras is actually gonna get KO'd next turn, for sure. I might probably go for another Scald, just in case it switches back. And, Stun Shock. Okay. Good, at least there's no more dynamax for them. Power Whip, probably. Leech Seed, Power Whip. Okay. Iron Defense. Okay. Interesting. Iron Defense. He brings out probably Ninetales to change the weather. Yeah. I guess I could just go for Overdrive. Overdrive and Earth Power. Yeah, I think that's better. Overdrive and Earth Power. Unless it switches out to Charizard, that's like Yeah, I guess I could go for Earth Power. Yeah. I hope this knocks out Ninetales. And Ferrothorn, yeah. I should get a crit on Ferrothorn from the Overdrive if I wanna knock it out. Barely, you guys. Heat Wave. Toxtricity goes down. And Earth Power picks up the KO on Ninetales. Body Press. Oh, okay, so he has iron defense. Body Press. Interesting. No power. I should probably switch out Politoed. Switching to the weather next turn. And probably choose Amoongus to and protect. And wait for the Ferrothorn to die from the burn. I meant faint. Faint from the burn. Alright. So the obvious play would be switch out. Oh, should I almost? Okay. Almost. Switch out, then protect. And let Ferrothorn faint. I wonder if Grimmsnarl lives this heat wave. Okay, cool. Be protected. That's fine. I wonder if Grimmsnarl lives this. Oh my god. Okay, I think it's already a win. Because Ferrothorn's gonna get knocked out soon. And I have weather control. I guess I could go for the Thunder Wave. And Fallen Puff maybe, yeah. Just in case he misses his heat wave. Okay, we do get the Thunder Wave. And he goes for a Air Slash. Why? Okay, that's very strange. I wonder why he didn't go for Heat Wave. It's really odd. Okay. Grimmsnarl gets knocked out, but Charizard also gets knocked out. Nice. So it's 2v1 against his Charizard. I'm assuming we already won this. I mean, he's paralyzed. Unless he miraculously flinches me with an Air Slash. Let's see. Scald and Fallen Puff, yeah. Okay, that's strange because even though Charizard's paralyzed, I'm assuming he still goes first. Strange, maybe his Charizard was kind of slow to begin with. Maybe it was Modest, probably. Well, that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.